least common multiple. All right, so let's do least common multiple for 18 and 15. So it's going to be the same first step. So first step is our prime factorization. So 18 will break down into 6 and 3, and then 6 can break down into 2 and 3. All right, so prime factorization of 18 is 2, 3, 3. 15, just one step here, right? 5 and 3 is our prime factorization of 15. So now we have our prime factorization for these two numbers. The least common multiple is going to be, least common multiple is the product of the prime factors while removing the duplicates. So we want to multiply the prime factors together while removing any of the duplicates so we don't end up with a number that's bigger than we need. All right, so let's just say for a moment you wanted to find a common factor between any two numbers ever, right? All you have to do is multiply them together, and you can be guaranteed that that number is going to be a multiple of both the numbers you multiplied together, right? So if we just multiplied 18 by 15, we would get a multiple of 18 and 15, literally. So that number that we get is divisible by 18, and it's divisible by 15. What we don't know is if it's the least common multiple. And to get that, we have to remove the duplicate prime factors. All right, so let me show you what I mean by that. So here we have 2, 3, and 3 for 18, and then 5 and 3 for 15. So to get an 18, we need to have a 2 in there, and we need to have a 3 in there, and we need to have another 3 in there. So we need to have a 2, a 3, and a 3 in this larger number to get 18. So we put these in our order. Now to get a 15, we need a 5. We need to have a multiple of 5 in this 15, and we don't have one yet. So I'm going to add a 5 to our string of numbers. And to get a 15, we also need to have a 3. Do we already have a 3 in here? We do. So this 3 is a duplicate. To get 15, we need 1 5 and 1 3. To get 18, we need a 2 and 2 3s. So we have 2 3s, a 2, and a 5. So this number, 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. Times 3 is 90. So 90 is the least common multiple of 18 and 15. Now, if you notice, if we had this third 3 in this multiplication, we would get 270, right? So 270 is also a common multiple of 18 and 15, but it is not the least common multiple. The least common multiple is 90. So to get the least common multiple, you divide out these duplicate numbers. Okay, so